Afternoon, everyone. This is Steve Burnett from Cut That Cable Bill. Once again, that's cutthatcablebill.com. And I know why you're here. You're here because AT&T and DirecTV rose their rates again. I mean, this is the second time they've done that this year. This is absolutely ridiculous. The average person I speak to who uses AT&T services, such as DirecTV or DirectNow, spends about $140 a month. Ladies and gentlemen, that's over $1,300 a year, and your rates just keep going up and up and up. What if I'd had a solution? What if I could give you the same HBO, the same Cinemax, the same Showtime, the same stars, all of your pay-per-view events, NFL Sunday Ticket, NBA League, everything that you want to see for 90% of what you pay now. In fact, do me a favor, the 90210 code that you see right here, if you text it to the number right here, what will happen are two amazing things. Just for looking at our service, we're going to get for you absolutely free an app that has over 5,000 movies on it, and you get that absolutely free for life. But what also happens is you get to speak to a real live person about the service that we're offering. We need to make sure that you cut that cord, cut that cable bill, and drop your bills by 90%. So do me a favor, send a text 90210 to the number that you see here. Get your free movie app, and what we want to do is introduce you to streaming services. So what I'll do right now is I'm going to show you a short video of exactly what our service looks like. Once again, this is Steve Burnett. I truly hope you're enjoying your holidays, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye.